Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto whipped cream, an easy guide to a delicious treat. Making delicious keto whipped cream is surprisingly simple and requires just a few key ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold, heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred powdered keto sweetener, and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The secret to perfect whipped cream starts with very cold ingredients and equipment, so make sure everything is well chilled. Now let's get to the whipping process. First, place your mixing bowl and whisk attachment in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving the best volume. Once chilled, pour the 1 cup of cold, heavy cream into the bowl, add the 1 to 2 tablespoons of keto sweetener, and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start whipping on a low speed, then gradually increase to medium-high, continuing for about 3 to 5 minutes until soft peaks begin to form. Achieving the perfect consistency is key to delightful whipped cream. As you whip, keep a close eye on the cream. You're looking for soft peaks that hold their shape but still appear light and airy. It's important not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your cream grainy or even into butter. Stop whipping as soon as your desired consistency is reached. If you prefer stiffer peaks, continue for just another 30 seconds to 1 minute, but be very careful. Once your keto whipped cream is perfectly whipped, it's ready to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately. It makes a fantastic topping for fresh berries, keto desserts, or even a dollop in your morning coffee. If you happen to have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. When properly stored, your delicious keto whipped cream will remain fresh for up to 2 to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.